Hello, welcome to this presentation of Mobile2Sage. My name is Ara Martirossian, and I'm going to show you how you can use photo expense receipts with signatures for Sage. So the requirement's actually very easy. What you want to do is allow your employees to take photos of their expense receipts and let somebody back in the office to process those for them. So here's my iPhone, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a new receipt. And what that will allow me to do is just focus on my receipt. I'll take a quick photo, and then I'm going to use that photo. Now what the system actually does is it takes that image and also uploads it for backup purposes to DropBox if you want it. It then allows the employee to sign it to prove it was them, and finally what it does is it allows them to do that. So this was train to London, and I've picked travel on that one, and I'm going to pretend it's £24. That's it. Great, done. So I'm going to save that one. I'm going to do a new receipt, and the new receipt is the parking charges. So I've taken that. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save that, and that'll then put a copy of it in DropBox for me for backup purposes. Again, I'm going to sign that, and again here what I'll do is I'll just go and pick the code, and I'll say, I don't know, it's NCP car park, for example, and it's picked the nominal code for me from there, and I'm just going to save that and save it, and that's now done. So that's my two expenses done. So let's go and import that into Sage. So in here, what I can do is I've already got 5 receipts that Ara has already done. Let's see if there are any new ones, and I can then just press that and say, oh yeah, there you go, there's the train fare that's come through, and there's the NCP car parking. Now this is the coding that I put in when I was doing it, but the accounts person can review that, change them. They could also actually process that against a project if they wanted to, but I'm going to keep it nice and simple. So I've got 7 receipts here, and all I need to do is just press literally one button. And what that will do is it will go and pick up those particular receipts and process them for me, and it will also send me a backup, show me what it's done. So that's the Excel spreadsheet that's going to be processed into Sage for me in a second, and it also produces a PDF showing all the scans of the images, the signatures, and also where they got posted to or allocated to in the accounts. Nice and simple. And having done that, all I then need to do is then go into Sage. And because I logged in as myself, Ara@IT001, IT.co.uk, the system knows that it relates to supply code EEE001. So what I do is go into EEE001, which is my account, and I can then just have a look at the activity. And yeah, I'm over the credit limit, and there you go. That's the one that's just been brought in. So these are the receipts that we just scanned a few minutes ago with a train to London and the NCP car park. So really, really simple. Employee takes a photo of the receipts, and the accounts team then basically process that, recode it, and bring it into Sage with just one click. I hope you found that of interest. Please feel free to contact me via email or by phone to discuss your requirements, and also to arrange a free trial. Thank you.